Welcome to Pabbly. In this video you will learn how you can send a Dropbox file via an email as an attachment automatically. So with the help of this automation you can send any kind of file from your Dropbox like an image, a video or any kind of document as an attachment in an email automatically. So this automation can be very useful. For example, let's say you have a team working on any designing project and they create designs on daily basis and upload them in their Dropbox. So as they upload the files on Dropbox, with the help of this automation, you will receive emails with the Dropbox files attached in them automatically. So you can review those files and your team will also have a backup of their files in the Dropbox. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work. So this is my Dropbox account and here I am going to upload a file, and that file will be sent as an email attachment from my particular email address to a particular email address, which is this. Okay, so here let me upload a file. Okay, so let's upload a file from my system. So I'm uploading this PDF file here. Okay, so you can see the file is getting uploaded. Okay, now let me show you how this file will be delivered as an email attachment. So this is how the email will appear, and you can see in this email we have received an attachment, and this is the same file I have got which I have uploaded here. You can see in the Dropbox I have uploaded this file. So I have uploaded this document in my Dropbox, and this is the same file that I have received here in my Gmail account as an email attachment. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Now guys, let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you'll get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here. And here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Dropbox to email. Now click on this create button and you can see your workflow is loading here. And on this page you will find the trigger and the action. So automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start the workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new file uploaded in Dropbox, and the action would be to send the file via email as an attachment. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application, which is Dropbox. So search for Dropbox, select the application, and then select the trigger event as new file option. So it will trigger when a new file is added to a specific folder. Select this, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Dropbox, and it will be automatically connected if you are logged in Dropbox like me. As I have already logged in here, it got connected, or else it will bring you to the login window, then you can connect it. Now it is asking for the folder path, so you can see your folder path inside your Dropbox. Just open the folder in which you are uploading the files, and here you can see this is the name of my folder to Gmail. So this is the folder path. Just copy this name. Okay, and here you have to enter the folder path as this. Put a backslash first, then paste the name of your folder like this. Okay, so you can follow these instructions. Now when you click on save and send test request, it will fetch the details of a most recently uploaded file or document that you uploaded here, in Dropbox. So as you have seen in the previous example, I have recently uploaded this file, yoga top best practices. Okay, this is the file that I have uploaded recently. Let's click on save and send test request and see if we got the details of this file or not. So you can see in the response we got the name label here, and in the name label you can see the file's name as this, yoga the top 100 best yoga poses, and this is the name of the same file that I have uploaded here. Okay, so this is how you can capture the data, and here you can see we also got some shareable links of this file, and here in this shareable link label you will find the link that you can share as an attachment in an email. Okay, now to send an email to a particular address, you have to connect your Gmail application here in the Sections tab. So from this, choose app field, search for Gmail and select the action event as send email option. Click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. And from here you have to select that Gmail account from which you want to send that email as an attachment. So select the Gmail account, then give some additional access to Pabbly Connect. To make this connection, just click on continue, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking the recipient's email address. So here you have to enter the email address of that person to whom you want to send those Dropbox files. So you can enter multiple addresses also. Just add the particular address like I am adding. So I have put a single address here. If you want to put multiple email addresses, you can put it by separating the addresses by commas. Okay, you can read the instructions here. And if you want to put someone in CC or BCC, you can put the addresses here. Here you can enter the sender's name, whatever you want to enter. I am entering here Team Pabbly just for showing you the example. Here you can give any subject for the email that you are sending. So here I am typing new Dropbox files. Okay, and if you want to reply, you can enter reply to, and in the email content select the content type of the email. I'm making it plain, and here in the email content you can actually map the content or enter the content that you want to send. So I have entered the email content as this, a new file received from Team Pabbly's Dropbox. In the file name, you have to enter the file name with the file extension. So guys, you can use the data that you have received from your Dropbox in the first step. So here you will find the file name in this name label. So you can use this label to map here. Okay, so to map it here, just come back down to this step and click here, and you will see this Dropbox option in the drop down, and from this Dropbox option you can see the data that you have received from the first step. So from here only I am going to map the name of the file like this with the extension of the file as this .pdf. Okay, and in the attachment I'm going to attach the file with the help of this URL that we have received here in the first step. In this label you can see, in the shareable link label you will see the URL of the file. Okay, so just map this label here in this attachment step. Just click here, and from this Dropbox option scroll down and map this shareable link label. Okay, like this. Now you can check your connection with Gmail account as well by clicking on save and send test request, and a new email will be delivered from your connected Gmail account. So let us click on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And you can see this is the response we have received, and it is showing the result status as sent. This means the email has been delivered from our account. Let me show you. And you can see from Team Pabbly, email will be is delivered to archiveoffice10@gmail. Okay, and this is the content, a new file received from Team Pabbly's Dropbox, and this is the same file attached here. Okay, so this is how email will be delivered. Okay, so connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this automation. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.